Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today we have a new video with Debbie, and for today's video she is creating this amazing looking clown for us. So if you want to know how you can create a clown makeup just like this one, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. To create the heart-shaped base on the face, Debbie is using a white face paint by Superstar. This is color number 021, and as it is a lovely glycerin-based soft face paint, it is very easy to create a nice opaque layer to make that heart on the face. And once that entire heart shape is on the face, we continue to a purple eyeshadow powder. So with this purple shadow, Debbie creates purple shadows around her eyes, but also around the mouth and on the cheeks. To give a bit more contrast to this clown makeup, Debbie is splattering some face paint on the skin as well. So this is La La Land, a color by Superstar, and with the same splattering stippling technique, here are some more shades of purple. A nice contrast color when you are working with purple is of course yellow. So Debbie has chosen a neon yellow by Diamond Effects to create some contrast in this makeup. So there is a shape under the left eye, but also on top of the right eye and a bit on the chin as well. And with a liquid eyeliner, Debbie is creating the outlines and some details on the face. So as you can see, the part under the eye has an outline, and there is an eyebrow and also a shape around the right eye. And then it's time to continue to the neck part of this face paint. So the colors used is the La La Land Purple by Superstar. Once again, the same color as used on the face, and also the neon yellow that she has used on the face will be put on the neck. And once all of that yellow and purple is on the skin, it is time to create some depth in this makeup. So there is a bit of dark purple eyeshadow powder, there is a bit of black star blend, and for the highlights Debbie is using the white face paint by Superstar. Once all of those shadows and highlights are on there, it is time for the outline. So this is done with the black face paint by Diamond Effects, and you really want to create those nice sharp lines to finish off the neck part. And as you can see, once it's done, it looks absolutely amazing. Finally, a bit of that same purple by Superstar for the lips. And with that, our clown face paint for today is done. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.